figure shows a parallelogram PQRS when QR is 10. If ST is this one, is 8 and SU is this one, 11.2 meter, find the length of PQ. That means I want to find this segment. Agree or not? Yes or no? Okay. Now, can I bring this off now? Now, this one appears in one of the examples, and I'm actually redoing what we have here. Now, can you all tell me, if PQ is the base, which one will be the height? 8. Okay, good. If RU is the base, which one is the height? 11.2, right? But both will give me the area of the parallelogram, right? Do you agree? Okay. So, first of all, we write area of parallelogram is 10 times 11.2. Do you agree? Okay, all of you use your calculator. What is this answer? 1, 1, 2. What's the units? Meter only, meter square. Okay. Now, if I use PQ as the base, I'll have PQ times what? 8. This one must be 112. Agree? Because we refer to the same parallelogram. Then I know how to find PQ? 112 divided by 8, then I'll get how many meters? Am I right? Okay, can you draw this diagram and complete this for me? Now, I just want to know, are you clear with the steps? Yes. Can, okay? Because you're talking about the same parallelogram, alright? So this is question number 4. Are we okay? Okay, so for those who have done and key in, what's your answer? 40. Exactly 40?
Yes.
Okay, good. Alright. The next question is actually 8B. Alright? 8B. What is the length of parallel side 1? 8 meters, right? If I didn't read wrongly. Okay. What's the length of parallel side 2? 10 meters. Okay, good. What is the area? 126 meters square. What are you expected to find? The height. Okay. Alright. All of us. Do you agree that a diagram will help you in visualizing the whole situation here? Okay. Alright, can I print out this first? Can I print out this already? Can I print out this? PQ concept already. Are you? 1. Alright? All of you look at the board. Parallel side 1 is 8 meters. Parallel side 2 is what? 10 meters. Area is 126 meters square. That's the height. Now, I can roughly draw the trapezium line. Like that, right? Okay, the question says that it's the trapezium. Now, this one is 8 meters, correct? How about here? 10 meters. Do you know the height? I don't know the height. But what's the area? 126 meters square. Now, can you see that I can apply the formula? Okay? Half times height times 8 plus 10 must give me 126. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Half times h times this one becomes what? 18, right? Equals to 126. Now h stays here, right? I'm teaching how to do it one step, right? 126 divided by what? Half, right? Then divide by what? 18, right? You will get h straight away. Can you see what I'm talking about now? Okay. So what is the height? How many meters? Okay, take it down now. Including the diagram. Also 14, ah? Does it mean that all the answer in 12B will be 14? Yeah. It is just coincidental, right? Okay, yeah. Alright. Are you all clear now? Are you all clear now? Okay, good. Now, why I want to do it today? Because I want to finish this whole set so that I can wrap it up. Okay, and then I can start chapter 13. Is that clear? 13 is a longer chapter than 12, and it's much longer. Okay? Now, for those who are done with 8B, right? Can all of you look at question number 9? All of you, those who have done 8B, look at question number 9. I will give you 3 minutes. If you can do it, you try first. If you cannot, I will do it for you later. Okay? Question number 9. Please draw the diagram first. question 8b, but also slightly different, okay? If you don't know how to do it, at least read the question so that you know what's in it. The figure shows a trapezium PQRS where PQ is 12 meters, PS is 13 meters, okay, PP is 10 meters, and the area and the perimeter of the trapezium are 185 meters square and 61 meters respectively. Find the length of so and so, okay? Now, I just want to ask you what do you mean by respectively? There is 185 represents the area, what the perimeter? 61. So, let's put number 9. Area is 185 meters square. What about the perimeter? 61 meters, right? Alright. Okay, let's look at part 1. Okay, let's look at part 1. Find the length of what? RS. Now, I want to look at the picture. You know this side, right? You don't know this side. Do you agree that RS is one of the parallel sides? Do you know the height? Yeah. So which one can I use? Perimeter or area? Area, right? Okay, so all of you write down. Half times 10 times 12 plus RS plus PP 185. Agree? Yes or no? Okay, I'm going to get rid of all the unwanted things first. So 12 plus RS must be 185. Divide by half, divide by 10. Right? If you want to say this is 5, then after that bring over 5 also gets the same thing. Answer to the same. Okay. Can you tell me what is this answer on the right first? Huh? 30? 37. This one is 37, right? So, how would I find RS? 37 minus 12. So what is that? 25. Get the units correct. In this question is what? Meters. 25 meters. Can I? Now, why is this different from AB? And why is it still similar to AB? We are using the area, right? But AB wants us to find what? Height. But this one wants us to find one of the parallel sides. So it's essentially the same but yet different. Understand? Okay? Now, part 2, I'm going to leave it to you. I want to teach you first. Find the length of what now? QR. QR is this one, right? I don't know what. Do you know what's RS already? Yes. 21. 5. You know this, you know this, you know this. You can find this, right? Yeah. Why? Because I have what? Perimeter. Now I want to ask, does the perimeter include the 10? No. I already told you perimeter is boundary. Okay, so you just write down QR equals to what minus what minus what, then what's the answer? Okay? 1 minute. want to give 21, give 21. Then I knock him off, then you do Russian. Can you see? Now, let me ask you one question. Is it possible to find the parameter first? That means find this length first, QR first. Cannot. I must find RS first. Then I can find QR. Can you see that? Because you don't even know the length. You need to know 3 lengths first before find the 4th length. Everybody okay? Alright, good. Now I'm going to give you 5 minutes. You draw the diagram. Can you do question 12 for me? Question 12. It's actually quite simple. You want to find the area of the shaded region. Now, when you read the question, what is the thing that you want to find? Aidan, can you tell me what is the thing that we are supposed to find? Area of the shaded region. How do you find the area of the shaded region? What must you find first? The whole thing? Yes? Minus the unshaded part. What does the unshaded part consist of? Semicircle and a parallelogram. What about the whole thing? When you say the whole thing, what is the shape? Trapezium. Am I right? Correct, class? Okay. So, goes along. Area of trapezium. How does? I want to know what's the height of the trapezium. 24. Very good. What about the parallel sides? 15 plus 15 plus 12 only. 25, right? Agree? Okay, this is the trapezium now. Isn't it 15 plus 25? Right? Okay. Operator, what's the answer? 2? 480, okay. 480 meters square, right? Correct. Okay. What about the area of parallelogram? Look at the parallelogram. What's the base? 13. What's the height? 16. So 13 times 16. 208. Okay. Oh, it's a CN. So CN square. Area of semicircle. Pi, what's the R? Can you tell me 15 represents what? Radius or diameter? Diameter. So what's the radius? 7.5. Pi R square. I must put my 2 right. because it's a semicircle. Okay, this one is not exact. Alright? So, let me borrow a calculator. I will tell you how to do it. How to give it to pi times 7.5 square divide by 2. This will give me a 88.357 5-figure truncate. Can you see it? 5-figure truncate. Okay? Alright? Now, how come I need to give 5-figure truncate? Because it is not the final answer. Now, then students will ask me, what if I straight away do this one minus this times this, this times this? Then of course you're going to truncate straight away the answer will come. Do you understand? I can also do it in a one-liner. That means I take this minus this, straight away I'll get the answer. Okay? So this is a cm squared. So area of shaded region will be 480 minus 208 minus 88.357. So what is the final answer? Okay. 183.643. But of course this is not an exact answer, alright? Because this one is not exact. So 3 circle figure 181. 3 circle figure 184, right? Is this correct? Okay, now let me just caution you. Now, can you see this one is 88? That's why it's okay. Now, in chapter 13, you'll come across some answers as like a lot. Then what to do, right? Now, don't go and find truncate. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you truncate, then you got nothing already. If it's very big, right? Usually we get to 3 decimal places. Understand? Then after that, then you 3 significant figure round off. Understand? Why am I worried about this? Because sometimes the surface area can be very big. Like that. Then if you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 truncate down already, you truncate, then nothing left. Do you understand? So it's better to give to 3 decimal places. Understand? Then final answer, then we go to 3 significant figure. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Okay, so don't anyhow truncate, then become nothing. Everybody okay about this? Yes or no? Now, I have done all 4 questions for you. Nobody is to tell me I cannot handle now. I forgot to do, I left it at home, I left it in the longkang. No. Okay? All came to the front. Now, write your name. First row count for me. I don't want to count. Because very easy to count this one. Then the rest of you take out your notebook. Notebook, yes. That's his problem. Wait. Okay, take out your notebook and look at question 13. Question 13, 1, 3. This one is an application, it's a long one. Alright, I want you to look at question 13. Now this is a good question and it's an application question. Can we just look at the question now? All of you. Okay. I'm going to do this together with you, okay? Now take a look at this question. Don't talk. The cross section. Now cross section means if I have a block of wood like that, let's say. Okay, cross section means when you cut, the cross section will drop off. Understand? This is called the cross section or the base area. It doesn't mean it has got to be at the bottom. Okay, cross section. Okay, now let's take a look. The cross section of a footstool and its dimensions are shown in the figure 8. So this is the dimension. Find the area of the cross section of the stool. Now I think you know this is the cross section of the stool. Understand? Okay, now can you tell me how many trapeziums is it made up of? 2, right? How do I find the area of shaded region? Big trapezium minus small trapezium. Am I right? Okay, so all of you put down number 1. Area of cross section will be now big trapezium. Half times what? What's the height of the big trapezium?
Half times
30, okay. Times what plus what? 35 plus 45. I will get the big trapezium, right? I'm doing it in 1 step, also can. If you don't want, you can do it in 2 steps, then you minus off, it's also can. Then I minus, what's a small trapezium? Half times what? What's the height of the small trapezium? 13, What's this? 15, okay. Times what plus what? 15 plus? Look carefully, 15 plus 30, very good. Then you close bracket, right? Okay. All of you can straight away key the calculator and get the answer. You can straight away get the answer. You don't have to show me step by step. But you must show me the essential step. This is the essential step. So what is the area of the cross section? All of you are supposed to take this down in the notebook. Don't wait. 862 what? 862.5 cm squared, right? Okay. Now, I just want to ask one question. If you find the big trapezium first, then you find the small trapezium, then you minus off, maybe you get the same answer. Yes. Okay, but it's also okay to do it in 1 step. That's what I want to show you here. It's not necessary to do everything in different steps. Everybody alright? Can or cannot? Can, Okay, good. So this is the picture that we have, and that is your part 1. Okay, good. Next, let's look at part 2. Part 2 is quite nonsensical, but then you have to do it. The manufacturer is considering changing the cross section of these two that shown in figure B, where ABC is a semicircle. What's the difference between figure A and figure B? Just now, this one is a trapezium, right? Now it's a what? Semicircle. Okay. Calculate the percentage increase or decrease in the area of the cross section. Okay. Now, just now the area is this one, right? Correct. Now, may I know how to find the area of this? Area of cross section will be half times 30 times 35 plus 45, right? This will be the big trapezium, right? Correct now? Okay. Then I want to ask you, how come when someone finds the big trapezium and the small trapezium, I will already have gotten the big trapezium area, right? Then I don't don't need to do that one, right? Can see it? Okay, so this is one disadvantage of it. When you do it one step, you don't know the individual answers. Do you understand? If you do it in two steps, then you will know the individual answers. Then you don't have to redo it again. Do you understand? Oh, but does it matter? It doesn't matter. Okay, as long as you are careful. Okay, this one minus what? This semicircle, right? May I know what is this 30? Diameter. So what's the radius? 15, right? Pi 15 square over 2, right? Then can you see I don't need to truncate or whatsoever, I just straight away minus, am I right? Okay, alright. Key, you yes, right? Key now. Some forever drawing some Pokemon or what to key, right? Is this correct? Is it 5708265 right? Is this correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Look at the question now. What did they say? Calculate the percentage what? Increase or decrease. So is this the final answer? No. So you must use this one. Understand? Do you follow? Okay, now let me ask you. The original one is 862. Now is 846. Is it an increase or a decrease?
Decrease.
Huh? Increase or decrease? Decrease, right? Okay. How to find percentage increase? The difference over what? Original times 100%. Okay, so percentage increase will be now and find the answer. .8469. Am I right? Say that. Correct. If you truncate it. Now, 3 significant figures as well. 1 by 8 what? 85%. Alright now. 3 significant figures. All final answer must be given to 3 significant figures. Is this correct? I just want to know, is this correct? Yeah? Now, what am I looking for in the answer? You must use this word. Percentage what? Decrease. You cannot tell me I don't know. You understand? You cannot tell me I don't know because they say percentage or increase or decrease, you must conclude whether it's an increase or decrease. Understand? And just like what I said, this one, if it's a big one, give it to 3 decimal place. Don't go to truncate, after that, don't know what to truncate. Everybody clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can you understand this particular question? Yes, okay, now, I just want to ask your views here. Do you think this question 12 is difficult? Okay, this is not question 12, this is question 13. Do you think it's difficult? It's not difficult, it's just that there are a few steps involved. Understand? And you got to understand carefully. You cannot just read already, everything you want to do all at one time, then you will get the wrong answer. Do you follow what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay, good. Now, next. Okay, I want to talk about chapter 13. I'm not going to give you homework, you know this. Okay? Now, chapter 13 is I just want to explain to you what is a prism and what is a cylinder first. Alright? Now, all of you look at the board. After that, I'll just stop. And today's CCE is in the hall. Okay? Alright. What do you mean by a prism? All of you look at the board. Okay, don't need to dance because it's in the hall, right? All of you look. I will tell you this is a prism. Hello? Can you see that this one looks like a Oreo chocolate? If I chop this way, this shape will fall out, right? And it is a uniform shape. Uniform means it's of the same size, of the same shape. Correct? Now, if I can chop and a uniform cross section can fall off, it is called a prism. Not prison, I don't want prison. Understand? Prism. Everybody clear? Now, then can you see this side also say? Now, this is either called the uniform cross section or it is called the base area. As I said, the base need not be at the bottom. Understand? Okay. Now, is it okay if I draw this prism this way? I'll put it like that. Yeah. Then how do I slice it so that the same shape will cut off? I will go horizontally, right? Correct. Then this shape will fall off, right? Everybody clear? Anything that has got a uniform cross section, when you cut it along the height, it will be called a prism. Now, what do you mean by the height? This one between the two will be called the height. This one between the two will be called the height. Is that clear? Okay, now I'm going to give you one more. Okay? And this is also a prism. Okay, all of you know. What is the five-sided figure called? Pentagon. Okay, I have another five-sided figure. Is this a prism? Is this a prism? Yeah. Yes. How do I slice it? Like that, right? What will fall? A pentagon will fall out, right? So this will be the base area. This will be the height. Okay. Now, I want to know if this is the prism.
Yes.
Can I chop it out such that the same shape will fall off? Yes, I will. Like that. It becomes bigger at the bottom, then the square or the rectangle becomes smaller and smaller. This is not a prism. Because no matter how you cut, I will not get a uniform cross section forever. Next year we are going to do this pyramid, cones, and spheres. Okay? But not this year. This year all will be prism. Understand now? So can you see what's a prism and what is a non-prism? Okay, now, what about a cylinder? Cylinder is like this, Do you agree that a cylinder is like a special, not cylinder, okay? I'm talking about cylinder, right? Do you agree that a cylinder is a special kind of prism? What's the base area of the cylinder? Okay, cylinder, tell me, what's the base area of a cylinder? Circle, right? Correct now. When I chop off, the circle will come off. Agree? So, a circle is not entirely a prism, but it's a special kind of prism. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Yes, okay. Okay, let's